Hello and welcome to our new video. Today we're comparing two giants in the AI world, ChatGPT by OpenAI and copy.ai. Stay tuned to find out which one might be the best fit for your needs. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech content. Both ChatGPT and copy.ai have been making waves, but for different reasons. Let's break it down. First up, what they're designed for. ChatGPT is like the Swiss Army knife of conversational AI. It's versatile, handling everything from chit-chat to technical help. Meanwhile, Copy AI is the marketer's best friend, specializing in creating punchy, effective content for businesses. Now, let's talk user experience. ChatGPT keeps it simple. It's like texting a friend who knows a lot. Copy AI, though, adds some spice with text formatting and preset content prompts, tailoring more to professional needs. Accuracy is key. ChatGPT impresses with its detailed and relevant responses, great for deep conversations. Copy AI, on the other hand, nails it with concise, impactful content, perfect for grabbing attention in the business world. Speed? Both are quick, but this can vary. Generally, they won't keep you waiting long. In terms of understanding human language, both are top-notch. ChatGPT shines with a broad range of topics, while Copy AI has a knack for marketing lingo. What about your wallet? ChatGPT offers a great free version, and its Plus plan is about $20 a month. Copy AI, a bit pricier, starts with a free trial, then jumps to around $50 monthly for the Pro version. So which one wins? It's a tie, but it depends on your needs. ChatGPT is your go-to for a wide array of tasks and a more budget-friendly option. Copy AI is ideal for those in the business and marketing world looking for specialized content creation. There you have it, folks. Whether you're a casual user or a professional marketer, there's an AI tool out there for you. Have you used ChatGPT or Copy AI? Let us know your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.